Another thing that comes to mind is your spontaneous, fun spirit. Over the years, we've gone on so many trips around the world together, and a lot of them were impromptu, such as Panthers games at Atlanta Stadium before we were even officially dating, Valentine's Day in Colorado, trips to London and Greece, and sporadic trips to Charlottesville, where we're ultimately getting married.
Being spoiled as an only child would have really been nice. I wouldn't have traded my sister for anything in the world, and I'm incredibly grateful to have her as my best friend. We've had countless memories together, like acting out in stores. When we were little, we thought we could just take on the world with our special talents. Well, let's just say we thought we had special talents.
Jay. I spent most of my first 25 years searching for something that I thought I wanted, and until 5 years ago, I realized I truly didn't know what I needed, and that was you. Looking at you now, I know this is a big moment, but I also recognize every small moment that has led us to today. We traveled the world together, made our house a home, raised the most perfect dog, and cheered on our loved ones through their big moments together.
I promise that I'll always try to make you feel loved. I'm not the one to wear my emotions on my shoulders. I promise to always make you laugh and continue to be the goofy, fun-loving person you fell in love with from the start, which means all the corny jokes, inside catchphrases. I promise to listen to you and make sure you feel heard, even on the days I'm not wearing my hearing aids, and even on the days where the Orioles and Panthers are playing.
I promise to always celebrate our moments, no matter the size. Through all of life's challenges, I promise to work hard on our marriage every day and put our relationship first. I will choose to do this life with you every day. I promise these things to you today and in every other lifetime. I love you, Joshua Patrick, and I can't wait to be your wife.
That was really good.
By the power vested in me, by the God of both heaven and earth, and by the Commonwealth of Virginia, I do pronounce you husband and wife. Josh, you may kiss your
We're so happy to be here and we love you. I'm so happy to be here celebrating you forever and ever. Amen. Congratulations.
Welcome to the family, Jeff.
Your greatest adventure started today. You both truly understand not just how to love life, but how to love each other. If any of you ever wonder what true love looks like, I want you to take a look at Josh and Jess's Instagram once and just see just how spoiled Toby is. I mean, that's true love right there.
you.